Imagine this. You urgently need to share a password with a friend, colleague, or family member, maybe to access a shared account or a project. You quickly send it through a message or screenshot, thinking, it's fine, they'll delete it later. But here's the problem. Once that password is out there, you lose control. It can be forwarded, copied, or even stolen without you knowing. That's why in this video, we'll walk through the safest, most practical ways to share passwords without exposing them to hackers or anyone who shouldn't have them. Stick around till the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that even security experts use to stay protected. Let's get started. First, use a password manager's secure sharing feature. Tools like Bitwarden, 1Password, or LastPass let you share passwords securely without ever revealing the actual text of the password. You simply grant access, and the person can use it without seeing it. You can also revoke that access anytime. This is one of the safest and most professional ways to share credentials. Second, use encrypted or one-time secret sharing tools. If you don't have a password manager, apps like Signal or WhatsApp with disappearing messages are good alternatives. They use end-to-end encryption, which means only you and the receiver can read the message. You can even set messages to delete automatically after being read. For extra sensitive passwords, try temporary secret sharing tools like One-Time Secret or PrivNote. They let you send a link that disappears forever after it's opened once. Third, use secure file sharing services for documents. Sometimes you might need to send a file that contains login details or credentials. In that case, use services like Proton Drive or Trezor. They offer end-to-end encryption, so even the service provider can't see your file. And here's a pro tip. Add a password to the document itself for an extra layer of protection. Fourth, send login details using separate channels. If you must share credentials manually, never send the full information in one place. For example, send the username through email and the password through an encrypted chat. That way, even if one message gets intercepted, the attacker won't have the full set of information. Fifth, avoid unsafe methods like screenshots or photos. Never send passwords as an image. It's one of the easiest things for someone to save, forward, or even extract later using software. Screenshots might seem convenient, but they're risky and can stay in your photo gallery or cloud backups long after you forget about them. Sixth, use a secure vault for teams or families. If you're working with others or sharing access frequently, tools like Keeper or 1Password Teams let you manage shared credentials safely. Everyone gets access only to what they need, and you can remove or limit permissions anytime. Finally, revoke or reset access after sharing and always use two-factor authentication. If someone only needed temporary access, revoke it when they're done or change the password. And make sure 2FA is enabled. Even if someone somehow gets your password, they still can't log in without the second verification step. So, to recap, protect your passwords the smart way. Use secure tools, avoid unsafe shortcuts, and always stay in control of who can access your information. If you found this helpful, check out our password security playlist to learn step-by-step how to create strong, unbreakable passwords. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share it with someone who could use safer digital habits. And in the comments, tell me, what part of cybersecurity would you like to learn about next?